Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Adam. Today's episode is something everyone experiences: feeling sick and going to the doctor.
Yes, for English learners, visiting a clinic can feel a little scary. You might think, what if I don't understand what the doctor says? Or what if I can't explain my symptoms?
That's why we're here. We'll walk you through a full, real conversation, from booking the appointment to picking up medicine.
And you'll hear how to use simple, clear English to speak with receptionists, doctors, and pharmacists. Let's get started. Hello, good morning. I'd like to book an appointment with a doctor, please.
Good morning. Sure. Can you tell me what the appointment is for?
I've had a sore throat for a few days, and now I have a headache, too.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you prefer to come in today or tomorrow?
Today, if possible. I'm not feeling very well.
Let me check. We have an opening at 4 p.m. today. Does that work?
Yes, 4 p.m. is perfect.
Great. Can I have your name and phone number, please?
Sure. My name is Anna Wilson, and my number is 555-9812.
Thank you, Anna. Please arrive 10 minutes early and bring a photo ID with you.
Okay, thank you very much. See you at 4.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment at 4 p.m. with Dr. Smith. My name is Anna Wilson.
Yes, I see your name here. Please have a seat. The doctor will call you shortly.
Thank you.
Anna Wilson?
Yes, that's me.
Hello, Anna. I'm Dr. Smith. Come in and take a seat, please.
Thank you, doctor.
So, Anna, what brings you in today?
Well, I've had a sore throat for about 3 days, and since last night, I also have a headache and feel very tired.
Have you had a fever?
No, I don't think so, but my throat feels dry and it hurts when I swallow.
I understand. Any coughing or runny nose?
Just a little dry cough, but no sneezing or blocked nose.
All right. Let me take a look. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Your throat looks red, but it's not too swollen. Let me also check your temperature. Okay, no fever. That's good.
Is it something serious?
Not at all. It looks like a mild viral infection. It's common during weather changes.
So what should I do?
I'll give you some medicine for your throat and headache. Also, rest well, drink warm water, and avoid spicy or cold foods.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, for at least 1 day. You need to rest. And if your symptoms get worse or you feel any fever, come back immediately.
All right. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
Hi, the doctor gave me this prescription.
Let me take a look. Okay, I have all the medicines here.
How do I take them?
Take the syrup 2 times a day, morning and night, after meals, and the tablets once in the evening.
Got it. Do I need to eat before taking the tablet?
Yes, always take it after food. And drink lots of water.
Thank you so much.
Feel better soon.
Now that I'm back home, I feel more relaxed. The visit was easier than I expected.
Yes, and you did really well. You used simple English to book the appointment, explain your problem, and understand instructions.
That's the power of practicing real conversations. Even when we feel nervous, we can still communicate clearly.
Exactly. Let's go over a few useful phrases from today. I'd like to book an appointment. I have a sore throat and a headache. How long have you had these symptoms? Take this medicine after meals. Please come in and take a seat.
If you practice saying these out loud, it will help you feel more confident when you really need them.
So next time you visit the doctor or pharmacy, remember, you already have the words.
Start small, speak slowly, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Tell us in the comments, what English sentence would you say if you visited the doctor?
Thank you so much for listening to the Adam and Anna podcast.
Like, share, and subscribe to the Adam and Anna podcast. Take care, and we will see you next time.